This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Center, Realtors property video is presented by Peggy Manning. Custom-built garden home that is immaculate and move-in ready. This lovely home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and has a very open floor plan. The split bedroom arrangement features an oversized master with 2 closets and a walk-in shower. The kitchen has built-in appliances and refrigerator plus a 10-island that is great for entertaining. The home is low maintenance and has a small yard with nice patio. Oversized garage with double doors and openers. This home will sell fast, to hurry and schedule your appointment today. For more information, review the details below.